feeling very sleepy and relaxed right here on Stu's channel.
It's blinking.
That's blinking.
Okay. I handed it to you while it was going. Keep golden. Keep golden. Nice toss.
Can't see crap. Here,
It's so fast, it's hard to...
damn.
Something's up.
What was that
I
noise?
just lost something. I'm glad. No, I'm not. It's my ESC.
You want to take this camera?
That rifle is fast.
I can't tell if I'm getting the shot or not.
I'll try to get it right near us.
That's funny.
That's a little windy.
This thing's a bullet, man.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Ridiculous, man.
Yeah. It's like a bullet. Why do they call it the rifle? Yeah.
Should have called it the missile.
I'm just laying off until I get about here and then...
That thing's a missile. That'll slice right through you if it hits it.
Oh, hell yeah, he'd be dead.
Shit, move on. Take your head off.
Holy moly.
That was cool if you got that footage.
I have no idea. I can't, all I'm doing is pointing.
Oh, I hope you're getting it. Dave didn't want to take that over, huh?
Woo. Oh, I wish I would have gotten that.
Blinking, it was done.
Try doing that again.
You can't get any lower than that, dude. Nope. You cannot get any lower than that. I hit your landing gear there.
Well, if you did, you wouldn't. You'd be digging trenches.
I'm taking it easy on the corners. After my wings shear that one time, I was a little nervous about that. And I'm kind of putting it too far out, but I'm lining up with this. I'm going to be approaching my battery marker here.
I was just going to ask you. You were going to bring her in?
Not at this speed.
She go any slower? I can't imagine that.
You know, I've tried to slow this down before, and what happened? Let me go ahead and land it.
Oh, your battery's dead.
Yeah, it's pulsing.
It's hard to see right now.
Yeah, it's coming at you.
Yeah, it's coming at you.
Yeah.
You got it, man.
Yeah, you did. A little more.
Perfect, man. Get it closer.
Perfect, right there. Oh, yeah.
That's good. Good. I needed a grass landing. I didn't want it. If we would have put it on this thing, just keeps on going.
Hope to see you back here on Stu's channel.